Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on Supreme Profit Systems review. If you're looking at Supreme Profit Systems and you want to either know more information or work with someone that's going to actually help you and actually help you get traffic, leads, and sales using Supreme Profit System, then you're going to want to stick to the end of this video because I'm going to show you my team bonuses that are better than every other person and every other sponsor in the industry. So go ahead and stay on this video, relax, hit the like, subscribe button, comment down below, and hit the bell notifications. And let's get into this Supreme Profit Systems review. So really quick, what is Supreme Profit Systems? Well, basically it is a mid to high ticket affiliate marketing home-based business opportunity where you're able to earn 100% of the upfront commissions directly to your Zelle, PayPal, or however you want to get paid. Okay, Venmo, Cash App, Mail. You could even accept the Bitcoin payments, Ethereum payments. You could even accept like a car. You know, like you could accept however payments you want through this program. But anyways, here's the video, and then here's the levels that people can get started at: $500, $1,500. $3,500, $7,500, and $11,000. Okay, and then when you get started, you're going to choose a package and call the 1-800 number. Okay, and then here's testimonials right here for the program. Okay, so we got great testimonials here, and then here's the website. Okay, so it's just going to explain things, walk you through, and it's going to explain the products. These are digital products, so these will be downloadable products. And here we have the levels of which you can get started at. So please pay attention real quick. This is very important for you to understand. When you get started in Supreme Profit Systems at the $500 level, you will go ahead and join at the $500 level and pay the $167 admin fee. Okay? Now, when you get started at the $1,500 level, you can actually pay the $347 admin fee and get upgraded to the $3,500 level. Okay? So how cool is that? So check this out. So right here, join at the $1,500 level and get upgraded to the $3,500 level for free. Join at the $3,500 level, get upgraded to the $7,500 level for free. Join at the $7,500 level, get upgraded to the $11,000 level for free. Okay, so how do you get upgraded? Well, basically, when you do the $1,500, you just pay the $347 admin fee. So you're going to pay the admin fee of the level that you're going to be upgraded to. So that way the system knows that you're upgraded to that level. Okay? But anyways, that's what's really cool about this system is people can actually get a very big value. So the value of $2,000 commissions difference, right? So $1,500 to $3,500, that's a value of $2,000, right? And the difference between $35 to $75 is $4,000, okay? And then the difference between 75 and 11 is going to be 7 to 8, 9, 10, 11. So that would be $3,500, right? So very big values of upgrading, and you just need to know that when you do upgrade, you're going to pay the next level admin fee. Okay? So very awesome system, and what's cool about this is that the upgrades are built into the system. This is not me trying to create a deal or undercut anyone. This is actually built into the system, so it's really awesome. And let me go over my team bonuses in this program. And another thing that I really liked about this program is you're going to call the 1-800 number, and you're basically going to get people calling your 1-800 number and saying that they're ready to get started at the $1,500 level, at the $3,500 level, okay, at the $7,500 level. And when you call them back, you're going to collect the commission via PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, or however you want. Okay? And then when you get started at the $11,000 level, Why would you get started at the $11,000 level if you can get started at the $7,500 level and get upgraded to the $11,000 for free? Well, I'll be honest with you. The difference between the $7,500 level and the $11,000 level is a $3,500 difference, and they're going to do a $1,000 advertising campaign for you, and that's really the only thing that you get for joining at the $11,000 level. So I actually tell my team to get started at the $7,500 level, get upgraded to the $11,000 so they're not leaving any money on the table, and then they have $3,500 to be able to get more traffic. Okay, so rather than having the company run a $1,000 advertising campaign, I'm just going to give you my #1 traffic source, and then you can just spend $3,500 in traffic getting really good, awesome, high-quality buyer traffic. So that's what I recommend on my team, actually, is the $7,500 level, and then be upgraded to the $1,100, and then so that way you're completely in, all in, not leaving any money on the table, and you have more money to invest into quality traffic. So that's what I recommend on my team. And then also, here are the capture pages for the program. So the program has done for you capture pages and done for you follow-up that you can use and send traffic directly to these pages, and it will follow up for you. Okay, that's what you can do. And that's a very beginner level way of building a home business. And you can do that, that's fine. You're able to make enough money from this program to be able to afford advertising and actually be able to make this work with the regular pages. But on my team, what I do is I actually build you a custom funnel for Supreme Profit System so that you can get better conversions and build your own email list, because your email list is your only asset online when it comes to your home business. And so you want to be able to actually build an email list, so if you want to join another program and build a team in another program, you can just send an email to your list of 3,000, 8,000, 10,000 people and be able to grow another business and another income stream. Okay, so very, very powerful to build your own list. And what I do is I build a capture page for you when you click right here. Okay, name and email. Okay, and then people will go to this page right here. Now, real quick, it doesn't have the button. I'm just showing you the page after the timer runs out. So this is the page right here. It's going to have your contact information and your photo. And I got my team bonuses right here. So I will build this exact funnel for you so that you can build your own list, right? Control your own business, email your list, make more money, be able to promote other programs, and I'll coach you on everything on how to do that. So you can clone the funnel. So that's really awesome. And then you can get personal coaching and access to me. So you can call me anytime. I will help you in your business. I will build pages for you. I'll set up more emails for you. If you need help with anything, let me know. If I made a mistake in your funnel, let me know. I'll fix it. And then this funnel also comes with 30 automated emails that I do for you. So that way, it like when you send traffic to the funnel that I built for you, it already has built-in emails. So it's another done-for-you system that I build for you, but it's just way better, and it's going to be customized to you. So for example, right here, this is going to be a picture of you, and then when you click on the video, really quick, it'll have to load, I guess. Okay, but anyways, the video is a really, really well done video. So I have testimonials right here, okay, in the very beginning. So it's, and then I have a bridge video of me. So this is my bridge video. Okay, this is my my bridge page if you've ever been trained on that. So I have a nice bridge video, and I will build this page for you and put your bridge video in here with the testimonials at the beginning, and I'll even coach you and tell you exactly what to say in your bridge video And I even have a slideshow that I can put your story into and create a slideshow for you so that you can just record the computer screen with like a screen capture, and you can just record the slides and read through the slides and have a bridge video. So that works very, very well for people that don't want to be on camera as well. So I can build that for you. This is just a talking head video example, and then we have testimonials at the end again. Okay, so I will build you and help you and tell you exactly what to say in this bridge video to help you get way better results in Supreme Profit Systems. And then you can remove these bonuses if you want to, but I will build your team's funnel for them if for a fee, and then so you can offer that as a bonus, and then people can ask you questions, you can give them the same traffic source, and then also you can get them clicks too. So the other bonuses I offer are proven traffic source. So I'm going to give you exactly where I buy traffic from to flood this business of SPS and get commissions. And then I'm also going to buy you clicks when you get started with the Supreme Profit Systems, okay? Now, depending on which level that you get started at is how much clicks I'm going to be able to get for you, okay? So a part of the commission that I get, I'm not going to get anything at the 500 for you. So if you get started at the 1500, 3500, 7500, or 11,000, I'll go ahead and get you a traffic package from my proven source, and I'll send it to my high converting funnel that I clone for you. So that way you have amazing, awesome, an amazing opportunity to be able to actually get sales and get conversions in your Supreme Profit Systems business and earn your money back, okay? Very powerful. So really quick, let me refresh the page and show you what it looks like when people actually visit the page, okay? So it doesn't have the button right away. It actually is on a 6-minute timer, or 6.5-minute timer for the button. And this is what the page looks like right away. Okay, so it's very simple. There's not a lot to look at. It has the same title as the Supreme Profit Systems sales page, right? So let's go back here. Okay, so it's all congruent. Okay, so see how it has the same title. Okay, so everything's congruent. I build really, really awesome funnels for you. And then here, check this out. It's also got the same title on the capture page. So what I really, really like about this program is that you can change your life with just simply 1 or 2 sales. For example, just one $500 sale will allow you to reinvest into our proven traffic source and be able to get more potential sales, okay? So that's what's really powerful. And then a $1,500 sale will be 3 times as much traffic for you. So just 1 sale or 2 sales in this program, you can reinvest into the funnel that I build for you on my team for free. It's actually free that I do all this for you. All this is free, okay? I don't ask for more money after you get started, and then I even use some of my commission to get you traffic to the funnel that I build for you. So if you're looking for a mentor in Supreme Profit Systems, so that way you're not just throwing money out there for a program and no one's going to help you, right? How many times have you done that? Well, I actually spend time on your business, building things for you, coaching you, telling you what to say, and actually making sure that you get results, and even giving you my best traffic source that I've tested and proven, so that way you can get results with Supreme Profit System. So if you are really wanting to build a business, join me in Supreme Profit Systems. I'm the only one that's going to help you. I'm the only mentor that's actually going to be there for you, answer the phone for you, help you actually build pages, set up your email marketing, help you do copywriting, help you do YouTube videos, help you do Facebook marketing. I will actually help you, coach you, train you, and give you trainings that I've created to help you build this business. And I'm 100% available. So if you want this to be worth the $1,500, to be worth the $3,500, to be worth the $7,500, to be worth the $11,000, then get started on Team Temple and click that link down below to work with me personally, because I'm the only one that will actually help you. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Click the link down below and ask me any questions if you need in the comments.